Now, when it comes to Terra Luna Classic, rebuilding this blockchain is by far the most important thing we can do. It's the only way that we're going to get Terra Luna Classic back to valuations around that $50 to $60 billion mark. The market cap highs that Terra Luna Classic saw when it was at its peak price around $100 and some per coin. Now, guys, it's very interesting to see the direction that this utility is trying to go right now. And I put it in quotes like that because I really don't know. I really don't know if it's utility or just people getting excited literally about anything going on in the Terra Luna Classic discords, discussions, and so on. And I want to talk about that because if we're going to be focusing on rebuilding the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, it is not going to happen overnight. It is not going to happen in the next couple of months. And it is not going to happen if we focus on some of these projects that might just be a little bit enticing as immediate relief as opposed to actual growth. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you want a crypto exclusive exchange where you can buy Terra Luna Classic, you've got KuCoin in the description, and they offer rewards for the more active trader. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn, and they also allow you to trade on leverage if that's your thing. And we know that Binance is currently supporting burns, so if you're an international user and want to sign up for international Binance down there, you absolutely can. But guys, let's just jump right into this. I'm not going to sit here and waste any more time with it, but casinos, gambling, betting your Terra Luna Classic. This is something that's gaining a lot of traction in the discords right now, and I want to talk a little bit about this because people do get excited at the opportunity to gamble their cryptocurrency and make some big gains and so on. But is this actual utility? Is this the direction that the Terra Luna Classic blockchain is wanting to go? So this is not a proposal yet. It's still just gaining traction in the discords and what it looks like. Okay, these Terra Luna Classic casinos that they want to see out there, you would basically be getting a 60% payout of the overall profit or of the overall pot, I guess. And then 24% would be going to burns. Another 5 or 6% or so goes to builders and then the developers and so on. It trickles on down the line so that we've got this utility by being able to pay developers part of this pot in this Terra Luna Classic gambling scene, I guess. Now, here's the interesting thing. People will do this. People will use this, and people will bet their cryptocurrency, especially if they think it's a quick way that they can make a quick buck and so on. So, yes, it will create some transactions. Absolutely. Now, the interesting thing is 24% of the pot going to the burn pot there. We know that 10% of everything sent to the burn wallet goes directly to the developers of this community pool as well. So not only will the developers be double dipping in it by getting like the 6% or whatever that's recommended, they will also be getting that community pool there because of the 24% that would be sent over to the burn wallet and therefore tax at that 10% rate. So guys, it is interesting and look, I'm up for discussion on it. So I want to see what you guys think down in the comments below because like I say, there will be people that use it and it will increase transaction volume. It will cause a stir and cause people to be excited. Now, is it good that they're losing part of their portfolio and part of their Terra Luna Classic holdings? Maybe not. But they are being distributed to the winners who may gamble more, distributed to the developers who can develop, distributed to the burn wallet. So it does have its benefits in that regard. But my major concern is this the direction that Terra Luna Classic is going? And is it the direction of quick, maybe short-term projects where people are excited about gambling for a minute? And then people get excited about NFTs for a minute. And then people get excited about burn pools for a minute. And then people get excited about this for a minute. And excited about that for a minute. Or do we actually want to rebuild the Terra Luna Classic blockchain and have a financial ecosystem and a financial services system here where you can use an algorithmic stablecoin like USTN, or we end up repegging USTC? Guys, when you've got that stablecoin and people flock to the network to build around it because they know that they're going to be able to transact, and these businesses know that they're going to have a nominal value in that stablecoin that they can build around. That's not going to happen in the next week. A casino, dude, a casino's a couple buttons, right? You lock up a couple coins, and there's a winner and a loser. That's a couple buttons. That can happen in the next couple of weeks there. The developer could probably put that together overnight. There's probably templates out on GitHub right now that the Terra Luna Classic developers could just go download and create their casino. But is that really going to generate long-term growth for the Terra Luna Classic blockchain and all of us that hold Terra Luna Classic? I'm going to say no. This isn't just some gambling ring that we're trying to get up and running here. The intermediate, the fulfill me now type of an aspect of it, yes, it could be a decent idea in that time frame. But that's not a $50 billion business. It's not a $60 billion. That's not a $100 billion. That's not a $1 trillion business that we could see growing over the next 10, 20 years. And if you want to see those types of gains, if you want to see Terra Luna Classic hitting 10, 20, 100, 500, 1000x gains over the next decade or so, we have to make sure that we maintain focus on rebuilding what this blockchain can become. And this blockchain had something amazing before, and it was ruined by potential greed and pride. I don't know if you guys see it yet. What I see slipping in right now is a little bit of impatience, possibly a little bit of greed, and definitely a lot of pride. So I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. Hey, in the meantime, casino could be a good idea to increase volume. I want to know what you think down there. But we absolutely cannot lose focus on rebuilding the blockchain to what it was meant to be. So let me know your guys' thoughts. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin and Binance in the description, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.